Alright, I had a question this morning about how to find a hole in a graph, so I wanted to address that real quickly. Let's start off with the polynomial function negative 4x minus 16 over x squared minus x minus 20. The first question that you're asked is what the horizontal asymptote is, and you determine the horizontal asymptote by looking at the degree of the polynomial. Here it's x squared, here it's x to the first, so since the denominator is bigger, our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. Also, what I notice is this factors. So typically on the ones that we did in class, you would have a vertical asymptote at 5 and negative 4. But the ones we did in class never happened so that you had something in the numerator and something in the denominator that would cancel. When that happens, the negative 4 is not a vertical asymptote anymore. Negative 4 is actually a hole in the graph. So on this particular example, you only have a vertical asymptote at 5, at x equals 5. So then the next thing that you're asked to find is the hole in the graph. So this one has a hole in the graph at the place where the numerator and the denominator cancels out. So we have a hole at negative 4. So then if I want to find the y value at that place, I'm going to take the part of the polynomial that's still left, the negative 4 over the x minus 5. And I'm going to put the number that I found for the hole in for the x. So I'm going to have negative 4 over negative 4 minus 5, and that actually finds a hole at negative 4 over negative 9, or positive 4/9. So my hole in this case is going to be at negative 4, positive 4/9. That's why it's asking you to write that as an ordered pair. And then you should be able to use your notes to find the Y-intercept and the X-intercept. The Y-intercept is going to be what would happen if you put 0 in for x. So I would end up putting 0 in for x, so I'd get negative 16 over negative 20. And then to find the y-intercept, the x-intercept, we would put 0 in for y. So if I go up here and put 0 in for y, I would find the y-intercept by what would make the top part equal to 0. And that's already in our notes. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You could also use Khan Academy, or I found the explanations in Delta to be pretty helpful. Thank you. Bye.